I'm excited to share this amazing kitchen gadget with you, the Ourokhome vegetable chopper. This 12-in-1 multifunctional chopper is a game changer for anyone who loves cooking. With its 8 stainless steel blades, you can easily chop, slice, dice, and grate any vegetable or fruit in seconds. The chopper comes with a variety of interchangeable blades, so you can create different cuts for different dishes. It's also super easy to clean. Just rinse the parts under water, and you're done. I've been using this chopper for a few weeks now, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's saved me so much time and effort in the kitchen. I highly recommend this product to anyone who wants to make cooking easier. But that's not all. This chopper also comes with a built-in container, so you can chop and store your veggies in one go. And it's dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. If you're looking for a way to make your kitchen life easier, then this chopper is definitely for you. Click the link in the description below to purchase yours today.